Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to interrupt your Tai Chi Chuan practice, uh, maybe on purpose, maybe because you notice you've been interrupted, like distracted, for example, or a siren goes off and your focus shifts or something like that. But at any rate, when there's an interruption in your form practice, have a little dance break. And what I'm looking for in the dancing is, it's not performance. It's not supposed to be only for those who are good dancers. I certainly am not a good dancer. Um, but an opportunity to move in sort of undirected free movement, but movement that has presence, right? Further, I'd like to do that dancing while maintaining my Tai Chi Chuan principles so that I'm practicing my form, probably somewhat serious, but certainly with my principles and with presence. And then, I'm distracted. Maybe, a bird flies by. It's just as much as that, or I notice I wasn't breathing. And then I'm going to just have a little dance break, right? And for you, it may be cha-cha, like for me, and it may be something else. And then having maintained my principles, maintained my presence, but having that sort of undirected and free movement, I'll just return to my practice. Maybe to the same spot in my form, maybe just starting again at the beginning, but let some of that kind of childlike joy, wonder, freedom uh, uh, offer itself into your form practice. So thank you very much. Enjoy that one. And, you know, I don't know if I'd recommend the dance school I went to because that's how I turned out. Oh well.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.